The 10 deadliest mistakes most people make in a real street fight. Real street fights are unpredictable, chaotic, and dangerous. Many people, especially those without training, make critical mistakes that can lead to serious injury or worse. Here are 10 of the deadliest mistakes most people make in a real street fight. Underestimating the threat. Many assume the fight will be fair or end quickly. In reality, fights often involve weapons, multiple attackers, or sucker punches. Deadly result: getting blindsided or overwhelmed before you can react. Not controlling distance. Staying too close or too far can give the opponent an advantage. Deadly result: easily taken down, struck, or stabbed because you let them get too close. Throwing wild punches. Most people flail or swing haymakers without form. Deadly result: missing and exposing yourself to a counter or breaking your own hand. Turning your back or running blindly. People often panic and turn away without awareness. Deadly result: getting struck from behind, tackled, or stabbed while fleeing. Ignoring the environment. Failing to use or consider surroundings. Walls, objects, exits, uneven ground. Deadly result: tripping, being cornered, or attacked with an improvised weapon. Focusing only on the hands. Not checking for kicks, knees, headbutts, or concealed weapons. Deadly result: getting hit with unseen attacks or stabbed unexpectedly. Trying to grapple without skill. Untrained grappling in street fights is often a death sentence. Deadly result: getting slammed, stabbed, or bitten while trying to wrestle. Freezing or panicking. Fear and adrenaline can lock you up. Deadly result: reacting too slowly or not at all, giving your opponent the upper hand. Not recognizing when to escape. Trying to win the fight instead of getting to safety. Deadly result: continuing a dangerous fight instead of surviving it. Underestimating legal consequences. Many don't realize how quickly self-defense can turn into assault or manslaughter legally. Deadly result: surviving the fight but ending up in prison. Bonus advice: avoid street fights whenever possible. Real violence is not like the movies. It's fast, ugly, and life-altering. The best fight is the one you avoid. If you must fight, train realistically.